One of this fraternity. मतलब मेरे को भी समझने में 10 मिनट लग रहे थे, एक 3 लाइन पढ़ गए. But that was a good book, huh? Again, on Panchapda, very interesting. Hello. I didn't read that music. I just browsed through it. See the crowd. No, old guard. The usual suspects. Yeah. Hello.
Dave, of course, wants to say that.
Of course. How are you?
Picture, dada, camera. Sorry. Ma'am, left.
चलो मैम
this side. Ma'am, this side.
हट जाओ समीर भाई पीछे दो समीर भाई पीछे थोड़ा
Ma'am, yeah.
मैडम अभी थोड़ा इस तरह
जी मैम किधर जाएगा पीछे जी मैम इस तरफ
Okay guys, let's save some for the
समीर
पानी दो
Ma'am, पानी. अच्छा आपको प्राइजेससाठी बसावं लागेल बोलावं लागेल सगळं पार्टी की आपला अंदाज कधी देऊ शकत नाही जास्त झालं तर जास्त होईल तो येणार नाही आपण तर सांगा आपण तुम्हाला नक्की काय काय हवं आहे काय काय नको आहे आपण बसून बोलू नंबर दे त्याच्यानंतर आपण जाऊ एवढं ते कुठे नाही माझं म्हणणं काय करतो काय नाही
But I'm not receiving actually 2 years. Do you just have to go? This is no.
hold it.
Standard.
Hi, how are you?
ऑडियो साइज से करो
सुनील दा थोड़ा खाली
Very good evening to all here, and I'm very happy to see very many familiar faces. It's lovely to be here again. I have worked with Dobby Ji right from the early days of my career. I worked with
She knows of me as Dobby Ji.
Yeah. Alright, so I've worked in his films and always found his, scripts very engaging, very interesting, very intelligent. And now that he started writing books, all of that I find translating again here once, again on pages. So earlier, Dobby Ji had written Novel series, children's books, and at that time too, he had given me a book. I read it. It was delightful. It was delightful, and I was invited for the book reading. This time when he called me up, I was like, "Is it a children's book again?" He said, "No, no, no. This is for adults." And Marisa and him came over. We met. He gave me the book. I opened it. I started to read, and I'm saying this not because I'm here, and WG is right in front of me, but they saw it. I couldn't put it down. It was so interesting, and it keeps moving. I didn't want to put the book down. And now that I'm here at the book reading, I want to say, so I told WG, you choose what you want me to read here. I have to say what you've chosen is really interesting too. Very well chosen what you have. I was like, so much. But when I read it, again, you're going to hear it now.
What she doesn't know is I could just shut my eyes, open the book, put a pin there, and that would have been interesting.
So modest, aren't we? But you'll see it. I think you'll see it, and it's better that way. That they hear it out for themselves.
Great. Thank you. I've had the pleasure of knowing Jyotin and Marisa for several years now, and I was really happy when I heard that he's writing this book, and I was quite touched that among the few people he shared the first 10,000 words with. I was one of them, and the bad part about that was it was only 10,000 words. So when I finished, I wanted to know what happened next, but I had a long wait. So as soon as it came out, I came to this very store, bought my copy, got it duly autographed, and I think in the next couple of days I finished the book. So we would like you to say something now to everybody.
These are old friends, so they're bound to flatter me, so don't take them seriously. So, the book, I think, is very interesting. I wouldn't have spent about 2 years of my life, given 2 years of my life to the book. We have a very old, tired, kind of descriptive word in the film industry, which every hopeful writer kind of peddles around, and that is different. This particular book, I think, justifies that particular term. It's different because it's not mythology. Everybody looks at it, Bhim, and says, oh, one more of those mythological books. But this is a thriller. It's set in the 21st century. Bhim actually travels through time and arrives in our century, and he tackles a problem that exists today. But that's besides the point. I'm going to tell you a little more as we go along, perhaps in answer to a couple of pertinent questions, or maybe perhaps I could have planted somebody here who could have asked me a relevant question, but it doesn't matter. I will tell you a little more about it as soon as Juhi has read a couple of passages, and then we could take it from there. Yeah. So before doing that, it is my privilege to ask Juhi to unwrap the book. Yeah. That's in case, we are in the film, so we used to retake some things like that. So we have 3 copies here. So if she flubs the first take.
Okay, let me get it right.
I was just kidding. Let her finish, then we'll rip it open.
Okay, tell me how.
Just rip it open, please.
Rip it
Yeah,
open?
I'm absolutely happy with you.
Oh my god, okay. Somebody has painstakingly wrapped it so beautifully and I rip it open. Okay, here it comes. Presenting to you.
All the way up to the left side.
We can do all.
And now I want to see you.
Yeah, I'm used to telling people not doing much.
We used to open gifts and give children. And all way.
Yeah, actually, that's why we jaldi se batao andar kya hai.
We have to left side. From left side. All of you.
जी मैम ये
अभी सेंटर में सर
Anybody on the right?
Please just do that. Actually, he's acting.
That's a cute one. Congratulations.
Thank you. Viren, will you please take this?
I think now we can just throw open, for some questions to the author. Actually, let me set the ball rolling, because I have a question after reading the book. There are several books, written in the past where the author has merged, modern day with history, historical figures, or even, say World War or something like that. But here you've not just gone into history, you've gone way back. You've gone into mythology, and you've brought one of the most famous characters in mythology to the modern time. What, first of all, gave you that idea? And you've done it so well. You've married those two eras, which are no way connected. They're so far apart. And what gave you that idea to bring that era into this modern day?
I kind of expected something like this would show up. So this kind of question. So I have just a quick passage to quote from the book, which is really it goes some way in answering this. This is Bhim. He's looking at human beings, and he says, "The warrior looked at his companions. Manav Jati had shrunk, and not just physically. To them, the days of heroes, when humans had walked the same ground as the eternal ones, were the stuff of stories and folk tales. They had lost faith in human greatness, could not believe that such a time had truly existed. They had even a derogatory word for it, mythology." Now, my thoughts when I started writing this book was that in India, we don't deal with mythology in a way that they do in the West. In the West, mythology is exactly that. The stories are treated as myths. In India, probably a majority of our population still relates to this as real life, as things that did exist, as people who did exist. For me, more than the people or the characters who populated that era, it was the spirit of that era, the heroism of that era. So I wanted to bring that heroism back to, because I think, yes, we have shrunk. We have lost that spirit of heroism. I wonder if anybody knows about what Einstein had to say about Gandhiji. He said that future generations may well wonder whether a person actually walked in flesh and blood of this sort on this ground. Now, if we take Einstein's comment and project it generations into the future, would Gandhiji be treated as a myth? This is the thing, that we are no longer heroes. We have to bring heroism back to us. So I brought a hero from the past, Bhim, into the present. And I had him interact with human beings and discover whether that spark of heroism does exist still, in a context where the entire world is in danger. So that was the background of the story. And that's what really got me writing.
Thank you. That really kind of gives us an idea of your thought process. And, I'd like to throw open the floor for any questions to the author. He's right here. So, based on the passages or any questions about the book, please feel free.
Yeah, please. Yes, sir. Okay. Precisely that. There are so many people who are so celebrated, and Bhim is not. Bhim is very complex in the sense that Arjun has his doubts, but he has Krishna to guide him. Bhim, despite being this amazing warrior, Bhim is the person is the go-to man for the Pandavas. He actually goes in, he is the person who kills the Kauravas. He is the person who destroys all the Kauravas. The revenge for for Draupadi is taken by Bhim. He is the person who kills Dushasan. He brings Dushasan's blood to Draupadi so that she can bathe her hair in his blood and thereby again tie her hair, which she had stopped doing after the Vastra Haran. He is the person who kills Duryodhan in the end. So Bhim is this amazing warrior. He is the person who is, but he kind of subjugates himself deliberately. He's subservient to Krishna and to Yudhishthir. He says that I know my place. Now I wanted to take Bhim out of his comfort zone. I wanted to remove Krishna. I wanted to remove Yudhishthir. I wanted to remove Arjun. The people that Bhim would perhaps follow or react to or obey the commands of. I wanted to bring him into a place where he would himself have to decide that this is what I have to do. So it was a much more complex characterization, much more human in a way, a hero who was much more human, so, which is why Bhim. The cover? Yes, I have actually, will Mr. Prasad stand up, please, in the back? There he is, Mr. Prasad Ajgaonkar. He's a wonderful, he runs this wonderful studio, which is perhaps the most creative studio in town. And his team designed the cover. And then our design was passed on to Penguin. And Penguin picked up from there and then developed it. So this was. Chaitanya, will you just excuse me for a moment? Ladies first. Yeah, Rita, please. Yeah. A lot of research went in before, and a lot of research continued, because you can't. A book is a living thing. It doesn't exist. You have a kind of vague idea of the book. You may have a vague inkling of where the book would go. You have some of the characters with you, but as it develops, like human. Challenges in what sense? Yes, lots of challenges. But please tell me what specific challenges you're talking about. Yes, in terms of conceiving the characters, I spoke about this a little while ago, that a book is a kind of living organism. It doesn't. It's not something that one has a blueprint to when one begins. So when you start moving down that road, you realize that there are things, and characters as they develop, they also come alive. And then there is the demand of the character and there is the demand of the plot. And if you insist that a character only follows your plot, the character dies. You see? You can't kind of grab a character by the scruff of its neck and yank it or haul it, kicking and screaming down any specific road that you want to take it down. You have to create circumstances where that character would itself want to travel that road. So these are things which you do as you write a book. You think about it, you conceive it, you wander down blind alleys, you scrap work that you have done, you kind of find your way back and then start again until you reach the conclusion. I think we'll call it a day now as far as this section of it is concerned. We would be very happy if Juhi ji would join me in a quick round of book signing. But before that, if anybody wants to take photographs of all of us standing with the book once more quickly, we'll finish that in 2 minutes and then we'll get into the book signing, please. Jugal, will you also be, I hope you brought your own pen. I've only brought 2.
Yes, I did.
If anybody wants to take any photographs, somebody in the start. I have an extra. No.
you here.
You ma'am here, all of you here. Ma'am here. Yeah, ma'am here. Ma'am here, center, all of you.
Thank you. Is Sushant here or somebody from the store? Can you? Somebody from the store to help us with this? Yeah, just to remove these so that.
How old is she?
16 now. And she asked her what does she want? Like books.
Oh, nice.
What's your books?
Nice.
Your best gift, books.
Books, one
You also
friendship.
read?
Oh, a lot.
Yeah?
Since I was a kid. You never feel lonely when there's a book around.
Great. All the best. Tell Apurva she was missed.
Yes, definitely. She was
It would have been a great thing if she could.
A little closer, Rabi, really. Please.
जो सबसे पहले तो आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे आप पर्सनली कितना शौक रखते हैं किताबें पढ़ने का?
शौक तो बड़ा है मगर आई हैव टू से दिस ट्रूली मुझे ये किताब भी पढ़नी थी वक्त नहीं मिलता वक्त नहीं मिलता मगर मैंने जब ये मेरे घर आए थे मुझे किताब देने तब मैंने ऐसे ही पन्ने पलटने शुरू किए मैं सच कह रही हूँ इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि मैं बुक रीडिंग पर हूँ मगर मैं रुकना नहीं चाहती थी इट वॉज सो इंटरेस्टिंग it moves very interestingly. It's really a thriller and a page turner, a true page turner.
जो ये आपने कहा कि आप किताबें पढ़ती हैं कई किताबें आपने पढ़ी होंगी बायोपिक्स भी पढ़ी होंगी क्या कोई ऐसा बायोपिक है किसी पर जो कि आप चाहती हैं पर्सनली उस पर काम करनी है?
बायोपिक्स अरे यार मेरी फेवरेट किताबें ना कुछ स्पिरिचुअल टाइप की ज़्यादा है मैं जो पढ़ती हूँ मैं कुछ ऐसा पढ़ना चाहती हूँ जिससे मेरा माइंड मेरी नॉलेज ये बढ़े तो मैं पढ़ती कुछ ज़्यादा वो
Do you have perhaps any plans to come out with an autobiography later in the future, or I mean, have you given it a thought?
I have given it a thought because कोई पब्लिशर थे जो मेरे पास आए और उन्होंने कहा कि अगर आप करना चाहती हो तो प्लीज़ हमारे साथ करिए आई वुड बी वेरी रेडी यू वुडंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग आप सिर्फ बोलते जाइए हम आपको रिकॉर्ड करते जाएंगे एंड देन वन डे वील कंपाइल इट ऑल एक हिसाब से मुझे लगता है हाँ इंटरेस्टिंग है क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो आप मेरे बारे में जानते हैं मगर काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने कभी कही नहीं लाइफ हैज़ बिन अ वेरी इवेंटफुल आई हैव हैड अ वेरी इवेंटफुल लाइफ फिर सोचती हूँ अभी नहीं उसके लिए वक्त चाहिए मुझे आई रियली लाइक ही सेड यू नीड डिसिप्लिन फॉर दिस यू नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी फोकस कि हाँ ये अब मुझे करना है इतना फोकस मुझ में अभी नहीं है मैं थोड़ी देर रुकूंगी मगर किसी दिन आई थिंक यस
If you were to, do you have a title in mind for what your book would be called?
I had something loosely in my head. It's a little like, it won't be, क्योंकि ये मेरी फिल्म का टाइटल नहीं है, but a little like कभी खुशी कभी गम. It's got to be the laughter and the tears. because where you've always seen me very chirpy and bright and doing mad things on screen, I've also had a very close experience of life, death, seen it all very closely. So yeah, there's a lot in my life. Someday.
Salman said that he does not have the guts to, bear it all in his biography, so he will never write one. Are you very comfortable with sharing, the innermost details of your life, personal and professional?
That's also maybe the reason. I think not just yet. I would wait just a little bit more to get, like you said, a little stronger and be a little more brave, and then yes.
कुछ मुद्दों पर जैसे आपने कहा कि आप अपनी बात करना चाहती हैं, लेकिन एज एन एक्ट्रेस आपको अगर पूछा जाए कि किसी और एक्ट्रेस को किसी तरह के थ्रेट्स मिलते हैं किसी भी फिल्म को लेकर, तो आप उस चीज़ के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं?
I just say this, I'm not speaking of Padmavati the film, very clearly I'm not speaking of that. It was just about that the threats were to an actress, and I was only just reacting on that, saying that that is not right. उसी हीरोइन को आप दूसरी फिल्मों में आप देखते हैं, आप पीछे उनके पागल हो जाते हैं, आप उन्हें आप उनके पोस्टर चिपका रहे हैं, आप उन्हें इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, इतनी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग है उनकी, और उनको ऐसा थ्रेट करना ये सही मुझे नहीं लगा. At the end of the day, films are made by directors, by the team. You are playing a part. I think just for that reason, I would say a little sensitivity is, and being a little more ज़रा क्या कहूँ, थोड़ा धैर्य रखें लोग, not flare up and say things like that, and that too to a woman.
मैम कल आप जयपुर में भी थे, जैसे कि आपने कहा, तो वहाँ के लोगों का क्या मोड है इस फिल्म, वहाँ के लोगों का क्या कहना है, ज़्यादा आक्रोश है फिल्म मेकर लोगों के ऊपर?
एक्चुअली मैं शादी के मौके पर गई थी, तो आई वाज अटेंडिंग अ वेडिंग. मेरी मुलाकात राजमाता जी से हुई, एंड देन शी वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट फिल्म्स, एंड जोधा अकबर भी वहीं पर जयपुर में फिल्माई गई है, वो किस तरह से बनी थी. बट देन obviously then some of the talk happened about Padmavati, but then she was just saying something which struck me as something I had not realized. You're in the movies and you don't realize कि really what I mean, कितने लोग आप में से किताबें सच्ची में पढ़ते हैं, कितने लोग हिस्ट्री में इतना ध्यान रखते हैं, मगर फिल्मों को सब लोग देखते हैं. So whatever you show on screen really actually stays in the memory of people, and it can stay for many years. You don't even realize it. So she was just saying that something that is, and that's touching history, mythology, that is going to stay with people, as especially आजकल की पीढ़ी के साथ. They are going to connect with this film, and they're going to believe whatever you show them. So do it very responsibly. That's all.
क्या आने वाले वक्त में हम आपको किसी फिल्म में देखने वाले हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहिए?
अच्छा, आज सारे क्वेश्चन मुझसे ही करेंगे. किताब इन्होंने लिखी है. बुक रीडिंग इनकी किताब की हो रही थी, डॉबी जी, ज्योतिन गोयल जी की, जिनकी मैंने शुरुआत, अपने करियर की शुरुआत इनके साथ जहरीले फिल्म में, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इन माई इनिशियल ईयर्स आई वर्कड इन जहरीले, हिज फिल्म, and over the years I worked in Safari and another film as well. And
you
now
sang a song for Bird Idol.
अरे बाप रे, वो मत याद दिलाइए. बहुत बुरा तरीके से किया था मैंने, बड़ी कोशिश की थी मगर हुआ नहीं ठीक से. But yeah, it's I've had a long association with him. हाँ, मैं एक फिल्म करने वाली हूँ और वो जनवरी में शुरू हो जाएगी उसकी शूटिंग, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च तक ख़त्म भी हो जाएगी. So विनोद चोपड़ा जी की प्रोडक्शन है, एंड और सारे डिटेल्स आप प्रोडक्शन हाउस से ज़रूर पूछ लीजिए.
Jigal, I have a question for you, a little fanboy question, but I recently saw pictures of Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan together at I think Aradhya's birthday party, and it reminded me, can a Mohabbatein be continued today, like 20 years later? Since you were part of the film, do you think there is a scope for the film to continue from where it left?
that is something you'll have to ask the writer. But I personally, I had a wonderful experience, being a part of that movie and working with these two wonderful actors. And there's nothing one can say about them that hasn't been said before. But it's a memory I'll cherish, and if ever there's a continuation of that story, I'll be more than happy to be available.
Are you directing something in the movie? Are you working on something?
No, not currently, but I would like to.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dobby mic.
Yeah.